Hi guys, I'm sorry we cannot see each other anymore. I hope you are doing great at home, that you're taking care of yourself, following the rules that we need to follow, that is using Lysol and antibacterial, etc., washing our hands. This time I'm gonna explain you again, or I'm gonna complement what we saw last Thursday at school, which was circle and bar graph information. This time we're gonna work only, or this video is about circle graph with percentages and with fractions. Okay, I'm gonna explain you how you're gonna solve the worksheet that you're gonna find below this video or in this activity. You have a chart here. This chart says favorite vegetables. Imagine this chart represents an interview, or yes, a survey that was applied to 200 people, and out of these 200 people, 45% of them said they like carrots, 23% they liked green beans, 17% like peas, and 50% of their like another vegetable. Okay, so what I'm gonna help you today is to find how many people does 45% represent. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna keep the chart here and we're gonna do the questions together. Imagine there was a question here that says, how many people, I'm not gonna write the whole word, how many people chose carrots? Okay, so of course I know that carrots represent 45% of the people that chose, that was survey, sorry. So I need to know how much is 45% out of 200. Yes, that's what I need to find. Of 200, how much is 45%? The first step is to convert this percentage into a decimal, which is point 45. And then, if you remember, we had an easy way to do it, which is multiplying. Then I say, I want to know how much is 45% out of 200, so I need to multiply this. Okay, remember, this is the same as this. Whenever you multiply, it doesn't matter the order of the numbers. So then I start multiplying and I say, I don't need to multiply these zeros, so I add them here. And then 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. How many decimals did I have? I had 1 and 2. So it is 1 and 2. And here goes the point. So my answer will be 90 people chose carrots. How would you do how would you find the amount of people that chose other, for example? You will do the same. That will be, sorry, it was 15%, right? So, sorry, I will do the same and it will be like this. Imagine it is the same question, but instead of carrots is other than those. Okay, so then I will do the same. I want to know out of 200 how much is for 15%. So I need to convert it into a decimal, which is 0.15, and then I start multiplying again. It will be let me erase this. 0.15 times 200. Okay, and then I start solving it the same way. It's 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 decimals, so it is 30. That means 30 people chose other vegetable. okay, vegetable. And that will be it. That is the way you're gonna find the how much or the an amount of something depending or well yes depending on if you have it as a percentage or as a fraction. Now let's see it as a fraction. I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna upload another one.